Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your account and clearing app clutter. Link to Activision or export guest data so you won't lose progress. Once done, clear the Call of Duty mobile cache and free at least 200 megabytes so files can refresh. Make sure to disable any mods, VPN, or third-party skin injectors. These often conflict with the game. Next, open the in-game store and confirm purchased skin ownership. This confirms whether the issue is client-side or an account sync problem. You will now perform the deeper repair steps to restore skin assets. First, force stop the app and reinstall from the official store to ensure fresh, signed asset files. After reinstall, log out and log back into your Activision account to trigger an account sync. This forces entitlement data to update. Next, open the resource or download manager in settings and re-download any missing base files or weapon bundles. This pulls texture packs the client needs. If skins still don't show, clear small data only and retry the sync. Finish by validating results and taking one key troubleshooting step. Start a private match to confirm the skin appears on your local client. Viewing it in inventory alone isn't enough. If the skin is still missing, capture screenshots, include device model and app version, then submit a support ticket through the official support option. Attach logs when prompted. As a final isolation test, sign into the same account on another device or try another account on yours. This reveals whether the issue is device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.